guys. Alright, guys. You know what time it is, right? We recently went to Dyle's floor, and I was there with Gigi, two Gigis, a pebble, a one of them died. He's gonna be very lucky. Okay, there we go. So now is using a box of chocolate, and that's what I did before I recorded. Alright, this should be too easy. Uh-oh. I hear Dyle. But this time I'm gonna let him do the honors. Because last time I went out for hang on. Oh great, I'm out of time. Okay. Let's go have a meditate. Not today, brother. Not today. Okay, that one back. Oh, thank you, Dyle, for doing the honors. Let's see who are still alive. Okay, the second Brightney. Okay, so Brightney, Pebble, and Razzle and Dazzle are still alive. Yeah, I just realized the first Brightney died, but the second one is still alive. Let's see how much I got on Dyle. Okay, we're back in the game. Now back in the lobby again. Okay, almost got it. And boom! I got the train whistle. I wonder what the train whistle does. Okay, so this trinket will make us immune to the slowness debuff. Okay. I don't really know what it says, but I'll go to roleplay to translate it. Okay, I got this. Okay, almost there. And here I am. Well, unfortunately, I can't see the trinkets in the actual versions. Well, unfortunately, I can't see the trinkets in the roleplay. But I can turn it into the twists that I completed research on. Like, for example, Dyle and Bobette. I recently completed their research. I also realized something. Dyle is the first lethal to have... Dyle is the first twisted to have a completed research that is a lethal. Which means the next one... Which means I'm about to get Dandy's trinket soon. Which is the Dandy plush. However... It's only at 58%, so... We're gonna have to do a lot of Dandy runs. So yeah. Dyle still here in his shop. Yes. Oh, by the way, the reason why you only see 12 day in the shop of Dandy, because I recently unlocked scraps. Yep, I unlocked her. Plus, I'm about to buy her skin. Oops, wrong one. Okay, let me try. Forget it. I recently had to complete Dyle's restart, and I finally did it. This is me as Scraps, signing off. Bye!